Hello friends, welcome to English with Mahmud Shamim. Today my topic is about 14 common mistakes. This is lecture 4. I would like to tell you one thing. Why have I made this video is about common mistakes? Because in today's life we use a lot of sentences in speaking, in writing, in making any kind of solutions, and in managing official tasks. Okay, if you have proper ideas or proper knowledge is about common mistakes, so we can make any sentences easily. We can speak to other person with confidently, and we can manage official task without any hesitation. I think this video would help you a lot regarding your common mistakes problem. Okay, and I would like to say one thing. This video is made for the intermediate students, not for the beginners. Okay, so let's get started. Friends, here you see I write don't say or write. Okay, and say or write. Okay, you see I write 14 sentences. Okay, left sides are incorrect, and you see right side 14 sentences are correct. Okay, so number one, I gave to her address. This sentence is not correct because give here is lexical verbs. Lexical verbs means what? Lexical verbs are action words that have no meaning. Okay, in their own right. We find something of the action more on the noun. Okay, so lexical verbs are make, go, give, etc. Okay, when you want to use lexical verbs like give, after that we need not to use to. Okay, so I gave to her address. This sentence is not correct. Okay, the correct sentence is I gave her my address. I gave her my address. This sentence is correct. Okay, so next sentence. This soup isn't enough hot. This soup isn't enough hot. This sentence is not correct because here you see enough noun, hot adjective. Okay, so adjective is not used after noun, always used before noun. That's why this sentence is not correct. So the correct sentence is this soup is not hot enough. Okay, so hot adjective, so enough noun. Okay, so at first we have to know is about adjective. Okay, adjective are the words that describes about noun or pronoun. Okay, so this soup is not or isn't hot enough. This sentence is correct. So next sentence, I have done a mistake. I have done a mistake. This sentence is not correct because mistake, so we could say to do mistake. Okay, is not correct. So to make mistake is correct. Okay, so in that case the correct sentence is I have made a mistake. Okay, this sentence is correct. So next sentence, I promise I pay you tomorrow. I pay you tomorrow. This sentence is not correct. But why? Because when you see tomorrow, this word and this tomorrow means the next day, and tomorrow indicates the future. Okay, future indefinite tense. So the correct sentence is I promise I will pay you tomorrow. I will pay you tomorrow. So we have to know is about future indefinite first. Okay, so the future indefinite tense is subject plus shall will and after that the base form of the verb. Okay, pay, the base form of the verb. Okay, so we could say, I promise I will pay you tomorrow. This sentence is correct. Next sentence, if I'll have time, I'll go home. This sentence is not correct. If I'll have time, I will go. This sentence means probable conditional sentence. Probable conditional sentence means what? If there is any possibility, I will go home. Okay. So in case of probable conditional sentence, we use this structure, if plus present plus future, or we could say future conditional. So the correct sentence is, if I have time, I'll go home. Okay, this sentence is correct. Okay, so next sentence, if I know the price, okay, if I know the price, I'll tell you. This sentence is correct in case of a probable conditional sentence, but in case of improbable conditional sentence, this sentence is not correct. Okay, so in case of improbable conditional sentence, we use this structure, if plus past or past tense, we could say past conditional. Okay, so the correct sentence is, if I knew the price, I would tell you. Okay, or we could say there's no possibility, or we could say the unreal situation or unreal statement. Okay, so the correct sentence is, if I knew the price, I would tell you. This is correct sentence. So next sentence, I have been here since 3 days. I have been here since 3 days. This sentence is not correct because 3 days is a length of time. Okay, that's why we cannot use since before 3 days. Okay, so the correct sentence is, I have been here for 3 days. Okay, in case of length of time, we use all time for. Okay, before length of time. 3 days is a length of time, that's why we use for. Okay, we use for. I would like to tell you is about since. I have been living here since 1997. So 1997 is a starting time. Since means starting time. Okay, so I should say one sentence for your better understanding is about since. I have been working here in this factory since 2013. So 2013 is a starting time. Okay, and I would like to say is about for, is the length of time. Okay, for example, I have been working in this factory for 15 years. So 15 years is a length of time. Okay, for example, 40 minutes, 15 minutes, 4 hours, 6 hours, and we could say 15 years, okay, is a length of time. That means for. Okay, in that in case of these examples, we use for. Okay, so next sentence, he said me that he was a Christian. He said me. So in case of irregular verbs, okay, we always use to. Okay, we always use to. He said to me that he was a Christian. Okay, said here is an irregular verb, that's why we use to here. Okay, so he said me that he was a Christian. This sentence is not correct because said is an irregular verb, and you can't see any to after verb said. Okay, So the correct sentence is, he said to me that he was a Christian. So next sentence, there's the man that I work for him. Okay, so here you see, my friend, the is used here as an indicator. Okay, so the indicates the man. Okay, there's the man that I work for him. So in one sentence, okay, we need not to use double indicator. He means the man. Okay, so the correct sentence is, there's the man that I work for. This sentence is correct. So next sentence, number 10. I've told you all that I know, that I knew. Okay, this sentence is not correct, because all here, you see all. We need not use here all, because I have told you that I knew. That I knew, that means all. Okay, so we need not to use all in this sentence. Okay, and such type of sentence. I've told you that I knew. I have told you that I knew. This sentence is correct. So next sentence. Although it was late, but we went out. Although it was late, but we went out. Okay. Although means what? Okay. Although means but. Here you see, I write here so that you can understand properly. Okay. Although means but. In between two sentences, we need not to use double linking words, or we could say double conjunctions. Okay. So although it was late, but we went out, this sentence is not correct. So the correct sentence is, although it was late, we went out. This sentence is correct. So next sentence, you had better to see the doctor. You had better to see the doctor. This sentence is not correct because you have a problem. So you should take an appointment for the doctor. Okay. In that case, we use had better. When you want to use had better, had rather, would rather, let, must, dare, need. After that, you need not to use to. Okay, you need not to use to. So the correct sentence is, you had better see the doctor, or we should say see, their infinitive. Okay. I think, my friend, you know bare infinitive. If you don't know, so go to my video. Okay, it's about bare infinitive. I think you will get a lot of information. It's about bare infinitive. So the next sentence, I used to play tennis at weekends. This sentence is not correct. Okay, because when you want to use used to, okay, used to, this means habitual fact. Okay, habitual fact, that means you you work. Okay, you work daily. Okay, daily. In that case, we use used to. The sentence is, I used to play tennis at weekends. At weekend, that means one day. Okay, we say it is holiday. Okay, in so in one weekends, in 1 week, we have all one holiday. Okay, so I used to play tennis at weekends. At weekends means one day. Okay, so in this concept, or such type of sentence, we don't use used to. Okay, we use used to all time to indicate habitual fact. Okay, that you do daily. So the correct sentence is, I play tennis at weekends. This sentence is correct. Uh, Last sentence 14. This sentence in my videos last. Okay. So lastly, it can rain this evening. It can rain this evening. This sentence is not correct because it can rain this evening. This sentence means there is a possibility it will rain in the evening. Okay. Uh, in case of possibility, we naturally we don't use can. Okay, we use all time may in case of possibility. So the correct sentence is it may rain this evening. Okay, it may rain this evening. This sentence is correct. Okay, these modal auxiliaries uh, we use can when we mention ability. Okay, but when we use may in case of possibility. Okay, so I would like to say again, it can rain this evening. So this sentence is not correct. So there's no possibility. Okay, so in case of possibility, we use may. Okay, so this sentence is correct. It may rain this evening. Okay, I think, my friend, you got a lot of informations from this video, and I have tried to give you a lot of informations is about common mistakes. I think you understood properly. Okay, what am I trying to say? So my friends, if you get some benefits from this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. Okay, and if you have any comments or queries regarding this video, so let me know in my comment box. Okay, when I see, I will reply. Okay, so my friends, take care. Bye bye.